Yeah, you want to kind of come up just almost to the end of that strap there.
There's a tiger right there. That's a beast tango. Wow. You want to hear it?
It's right there. Oh.
Good.